Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Ford Focus. First, always ensure your seat and mirrors are properly adjusted for your height and reach, providing clear visibility. Next, securely fasten your seatbelt. This is a crucial safety step. Then, insert the key into the ignition and turn it, or press the engine start button. Pay attention to the dashboard lights as they illuminate and then extinguish, indicating system checks are complete. Once the engine is running, place your foot firmly on the brake pedal. For an automatic focus, shift into drive or reverse. For a manual, depress the clutch and select first gear. Release the parking brake. Then, gently press the accelerator pedal to begin moving forward, ensuring a smooth start. Remember to maintain a safe following distance, typically 3 seconds behind the car in front of you. Proper steering technique is vital for control. Hold the steering wheel with both hands, ideally at the 9 and 3 o'clock positions, for maximum control. When turning, use the push-pull method. Always activate your turn signal at least 100 feet before your intended turn or lane change. Before any maneuver, always check your mirrors and physically turn your head to check your blind spots. This ensures safety for everyone on the road. When you're ready to park, find a suitable space for easy entry and exit. Use your mirrors and turn your head to check your surroundings for any obstacles or pedestrians. For automatic transmissions, shift the gear selector into park. For manual transmissions, engage first gear or reverse and apply the parking brake. Finally, turn off the engine by turning the key or pressing the start/stop button and remove the key.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.